Amidst a global pandemic, the natural world is thriving. We have seen how the planet can heal. Now, as the UK emerges from lockdown, we find ourselves at a pivotal point in our history. We have an opportunity to build a more robust economy, a fairer society, and a more sustainable world. As the first company of its kind to go 100% green, we only produce renewable electricity. We believe the best way to get the economy moving again is to bring forward green investments that tackle the other great crisis of our time, climate change. By taking the right approach now, the UK can unlock significant economic benefits on the path to net zero. It's an approach that will bring us closer to a clean electric future, transform how we generate and distribute electricity, and influence the way we work, travel, and run our homes and businesses. It will support a dynamic green recovery, a recovery that tackles climate change, creates jobs, and leaves no one behind. It is possible to live together in harmony with our natural world. It is possible to recover stronger together. It is possible for all of us to benefit from a decarbonized future, to thrive. Let's create a better future, quicker for all.